Thinking of switching to Linux but not sure where to begin? Ubuntu is one of the most beginner-friendly Linux distributions, and installing it is easier than you might think. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete process of installing Ubuntu on your computer, step by step. From downloading the ISO file from the official Ubuntu website, to creating a bootable USB using tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher, we'll guide you every step of the way. We'll show you how to boot from the USB drive, navigate the installation menu, choose your installation type, and partition your drive safely if needed. Whether you're dual booting with Windows or installing Ubuntu as your primary operating system, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll explain essential options like language settings, user account setup, and how to get Ubuntu up and running smoothly after the install. This beginner-friendly tutorial will help you install Ubuntu with confidence, even if you've never installed an operating system before. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux tips. And don't forget, the full guide is available in the blog post linked in the description below.